United States Navy's MQ-25 Stingray carrier-based tanker drone makes maiden flight. The Boeing Stingray is an aerial refueling drone. This project represents first big step towards delivery of a game-changing capability for the carrier air wing and strike group commanders. It will have the capacity to carry 15,000 pounds of fuel and will be used to refuel Super Hornet, EA-18G Growler and F-35C fighter jets, extending their range and time in air significantly. It will have a range of around 500 nautical miles. Personnel aboard the carrier will operate it using satellite and radio communications to coordinate refueling with pilots. It requires ship-based control stations to launch and control air vehicles and transfer data while operating from the carriers.